Braceys Tyre service.
Exceptional service. Efficient, quick and cheap. Recommend to all my friends. Rabi who assisted me was amazing. Overall awesome.
Love these guys. Always friendly and helpful.
Great and fast service. Tire broken took 15 minutes to change, around $120.
Good to see there are still honest mechanics and tire specialists out there. Their guys knew what they were talking about and their prices smashed the competition. Would recommend to anyone for service, quality and price. Thanks guys.
Service was good. I brought my car in for 2 new tires. $100 per each, not that cheap, but it included wheel alignment and balancing. Overall the price was fair.